You may create your ideal job within 24 hours by using the power of manifestation, the law of attraction, and your belief. If you wish to obtain a job offer or are already looking for a new career, this video will provide you with some wonderful and useful recommendations to make your dream a reality as soon as possible. So, do stay till the end of this video because you'll realize how powerful you are, and if you're new to this YouTube channel or haven't subscribed to it yet, please do so by clicking the red subscribe button below this video and pressing the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from our YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's jump straight into today's topic. The cosmos operates in weird yet wonderful ways, and what you focus on will appear. As a result, if you want to find a job that will bring you satisfaction, boost your present wage, and improve your level of living, it is worth trying these tactics tonight to replace your existing employment within 24 hours. One of the most common objectives is to obtain wealth and financial independence for ourselves and our families. However, many of us have obstacles that keep us from attracting the money we deserve. The first stage is to find your desired career, but the most crucial aspect is to earn money from it. 1. Know exactly what new job you desire. When you can be explicit with your request and comprehend what you want to materialize, the universe works best. If you do not recognize the exact position you desire, the universe may not provide your ideal career to you. As a result, you must be aware of and identify the specific job, position, and career location that you desire. For example, if you want to manifest a new career in sales, figure out what function you want to fill, what organization you want to work for, and who your clients are. Then make those desired criteria your specific aim and don't modify it until it's materialized. It is quite probable that you will materialize the job if you know exactly what you want, and the more you think it will happen, the faster the universe will manifest your desire. 2. Use scripting to boost your likelihood of manifest your job. Once you've identified and recognized the new job you want, put your request in writing. Writing down your desires strongly imprints them on your subconscious mind. Once your subconscious mind understands what you want, it may start looking for ideas, concepts, and chances to make your job a reality. Your subconscious mind is the portion of your brain that has to be convinced that you truly want the new job. Spend 10 minutes before bedtime scripting out your future work, making sure to incorporate as much detail as possible. The cosmos and your subconscious mind both want specifics in order to be influenced to change. Write down the specific reasons you want the new work, such as the role you want, the income and bonuses you want, and the advantages the job will bring to your life. Always provide the universe an exchange for your career by stating what you are prepared to give in exchange for the job. For instance, you may say, "I'll become the best salesperson in the industry to better people's lives with the product or service I'm selling." Finally, write down the precise date and hour you want to get the job offer, and then let your subconscious mind and the universe handle the rest. 3. Write your resignation from your old job but don't send it. If you're currently employed or in a job you'd like to leave, write your resignation to discharge your former employment from your subconscious mind. When you have attachments to your present employment, your subconscious mind cannot erase and make room for a new job. If, on the other hand, you prepare your resignation letter and date it for when you expect to receive your new job offer, your subconscious mind realizes it's time to let go and focus on your new objective. You must wait until you have formally accepted your new employment offer before sending your resignation letter. Don't be reckless and give something up in the belief that it will appear immediately. Because you are deserving of your new work, the universe will throw some difficulties in your path. The goal of this exercise is to prove and exhibit to yourself and the universe that you are serious about changing careers. The law of vacuum asserts that once you relinquish something and create a space for the item you desire, the universe will act and replace it with your desire. As a result, by writing your resignation, the world recognizes that there is a void that must be filled, and your new position is the substitute. The goal of this practice is to show yourself and the universe that you are serious about transformation. 4. Design a picture of yourself in your new job. To reinforce your new work in your subconscious mind, Photoshop yourself into an image of the new employment you want. Because your subconscious mind operates and thinks in visual format rather than words, this is the quickest approach to impress your mind. The image does not have to be professional since your subconscious mind believes what it sees often. Once you have a photograph of yourself at your new work, either wearing the uniform or standing outside the firm, you should produce as many copies as you can and distribute them throughout your home. The goal here is for your subconscious mind to envision you at your new work several times during the day. View the image again when you get up in the morning before going to bed. This embeds the image so deeply in your memory that your subconscious believes you truly hold the posture you're describing. The reason for this is because your subconscious lacks the ability to distinguish between fact and fiction. The more you show it the same visuals, the faster it believes it is seeing your actual world. This is why vision boards and other graphic formats are effective in applying the law of attraction. 5. Use autosuggestion to influence your subconscious mind. Autosuggestion is a recommendation made by you to your subconscious mind by imprinting your wants on it. To employ autosuggestion, write a declaration of your want or objective and post it around your house, workplace, and automobile to trigger your preferred job into your thoughts. It functions similarly to a photo, only you write your desired job, the date of the job offer, and any other goals you have that are directly related to your new career. Put your autosuggestion on a post-it note or card and place it throughout the house. Carry the card with you and keep it in your pocket throughout the day. Think on obtaining the job offer every time you see the idea and allow the sense of happiness to arise. The subconscious mind will be encouraged and convinced that your new job will come to fruition. Additionally, put out a statement about the work you want to materialize and video yourself on your phone. Once you've finished the statement, make a recorded loop of it and listen to it while driving or in your leisure time. The more you use autosuggestion, the more your new job will flood your head. Furthermore, hearing and seeing your manifestation makes you think. 6. Act like you already have the job. You must act as if your desired employment exists before the law of attraction may create it. You will be using the law of assumption, which is necessary for manifestation to occur. Nothing will happen if you do not think you will manifest your new job. The rule of assumption states that you should act as if you already have the job, act like the person you want to be, and spend time with individuals in that field. The more deeply you can immerse yourself in your new vocation, the faster the law of attraction will take effect. Find online communities where individuals from your new career hang out, read books about your chosen field, and surround yourself with pleasant items that remind you of your new employment. Practice your interview in front of a mirror, emphasizing your strengths and abilities that would be beneficial to the position. When it comes to the actual interview, you will be so engaged in the part that you will be unable to fail. 7. Visualization yourself in your new job role. Visualization is a wonderful tool for attracting your dream career. When you can visualize yourself at your new work, your subconscious mind feels it is occurring right now. When your subconscious visualizes you at your new career, your energy shifts and you attract the job in real life. You can utilize many visual aids to assist you, such as photographs, films, and vision boards. All you have to do to profit from visualization is close your eyes and image yourself at your new work. The longer you can keep the image in your mind, the more likely it will be accepted by your subconscious. Your session should last between 10 to 15 minutes for the optimum outcomes. Using visualization before sleep has been shown to speed up the process since your subconscious is more open to accepting your image at this time of day than at any other. If you want to generate your ideal job in 24 hours, you must utilize visualization before going to bed and keep it in your mind until you fall asleep. The phenomena was called the state akin to sleep by Neville Goddard. 8. Listen to positive affirmations and subliminal messages. You must flood your subconscious mind with optimism and power in order to develop belief, faith, motivation, and enthusiasm that you can manifest your new career in 24 hours. Listening to affirmations and subliminal messages is the most convenient approach to do this because it requires no effort. It's critical that you have the right affirmations that define your future career and, more significantly, enhance your confidence that it will be drawn to you. The more your subconscious mind hears such things, the more powerful your belief becomes. All you have to do to make this work is listen whenever you are not engaged in chores that need your complete concentration. For example, while driving, exercising, unwinding, cooking, cleaning, or sleeping. You are retraining your mind with your new employment throughout these intervals. The longer you can listen, the more powerful those affirmations become, and the faster you will be drawn to that new employment. 9. Make a list of your perfect job, including duties, hours, salary, and location. Include as much details as possible in your work goals. The more detailed your request is, the better. A job description is a list of what your ideal job looks like. Don't worry if the job doesn't exist or if you wish to be your own boss. You may still utilize this strategy if you are precise about what you want in a profession. Do you aspire to be an Instagram influencer? This sort of employment necessitates the development of a following and a community. Include items such as job responsibilities. What will you be doing on a daily basis? Will you work as a manager or as the CEO? These are all important issues to consider since they will help you make the desire feel true in your mind. The working hours, what are they, and is there any flexibility? Will you work hours other than the standard 9 to 5? Salary, how much money are you prepared to make? Will you earn that much in the start? Are there any incentives? Will you make more if you work there for a year? What is your preferred working environment? Can you work outside of a typical workplace or structure? Can you work anywhere in the globe, including on a beach from time to time? It doesn't matter if you don't get all the specifics right. What matters is that you create enthusiasm and the belief that the job is yours within your subconscious mind. The subconscious will figure out every possible means to acquire the job. You are just providing it with the necessary tools to make it happen. 10. Create a plan and take action. Many people believe that by manifesting their desires, they would be granted them without having to perform any actual work. However, this is not the case. Planning your manifestation is essential since it will help you bring your ideas and aspirations to fruition. Whether you write down the steps to attain your objective or build an outline on your computer, make sure you are comprehensive and organized while establishing a strategy for what you want. The most crucial component of this step is determining your objectives and concentrating on why you desire that career or position. Check that everything in the plan is in line with your objective so that you don't find yourself somewhere you don't want to be. Once you've devised a strategy, make sure you follow through on it every day. Then, because accountability will help you stay focused, don't get distracted from what's vital. Research companies, network, and apply for employment to help you achieve your objective. The more you do to make your goal a reality, the more easily it will come true. It would be preferable if you went above and beyond what others do while manifesting their aspirations. These minor things make a significant difference. 11. Release self-doubts and limiting beliefs. Doubt, fear, and limiting beliefs will frequently stymie your goals. Consider situations when you did not follow up with a firm for an interview or were turned down for a job offer due to self-limiting attitudes. Self-limiting beliefs hold us back from achieving our objectives, keep us stagnant, and make it harder to materialize our desires. All of these concepts are founded on the negative energy of scarcity, and they will not assist you in finding new employment. It is vital to identify and eliminate all of your limiting beliefs. When you sense yourself being pulled down by limiting thoughts, replace them with good thoughts. When confronted with self-limiting ideas, it is critical that you employ affirmative comments. The phrase, "I am," is extremely powerful since it confirms that you already have what you want. Another useful idea is to keep a diary of your negative thoughts and counterarguments for each one. This will assist you in being more conscious of your self-limiting ideas so that you can successfully oppose them. You may even set fire to those negative ideas. If you've been looking for a new job but haven't found one yet, it may be time to reflect on what your ideal career might involve. What does professional success mean to you? What would the ideal work atmosphere feel like? Can you see yourself being content in that role on a daily basis? The more detailed you are about the sort of work or employer you want, the faster your manifestation will happen since our subconscious brains can produce it much faster when we know exactly what we want. Check out these 7 incredible strategies for manifesting anything in 24 hours. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found it useful in your manifestation journey. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on it, please leave a comment below the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.